In today's video, we're gonna test this suction cup mount for a 360 camera. The brand is from Insta360. So this one is made of carbon fiber with a metal base and looks great. So today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, we're gonna see different types of positions that we can put this mount. We're gonna test it and we're gonna see if it's worth it. And this one is gonna be amazing in this video coming up. This is what it comes inside of the box. The selfie stick, invisible selfie stick made of carbon fiber, the metal base, this one, and the center to put the stick in there. 3 suction cups with this protection. You have to remove this cap, okay? This is just to protect the suction cup mount, okay? That one goes there, in there. So it has 3 suction cup mounts, 2 clamps like this, one for 2 suction cups, they go like that. This one is for the center to hold the selfie stick in the middle. So now let's put it together and let's see how it works. Okay, now it's time to assemble this. Okay, first grab one of the clamps and put it on one of the suction cup mounts. Press this button, slide it, make it loose, okay? And put it in the middle and then tie it down, but not too tight because you don't want to break it. And the same thing to the other one, but in the opposite direction, like this in the center. And then tie it down, but not too tight because you don't want to break it. You can see it's there in the opposite direction. Now open that one, loose it up in the same way, make it loose so you can slide the pipe, the tube in there, and same thing on the other suction cup, okay, the clamp, like that. And make it tight, but not too tight because you don't want to break it, and we're gonna adjust it to put it on the car. The next one is this one. Same thing, slide it, tie it down, hand tight, okay? Now put the selfie stick in the middle in this one, open the screw, put it inside, tie it down, hand tight, not too tight, but tie it a little bit good, and then same thing in there, okay? You have to open it all the way, but this one has to be on the second part, like that one, okay? Not on that one because it's not gonna fit. Put it in there, put it tight, but not too tight because you don't want to break the carbon fiber. This is expensive. Okay, so now it's ready. As you can see, you have to remove the caps. Okay, this is a basic view of the suction cup mount. Make sure that it is level with the window. Also these ones move like this and like this. Okay, so make sure that it's flat with the window. Same thing here. They move like this. Okay, so make sure it's level. And the next step, you can press this thing. Okay, so it's not flat. Maybe press a little bit until the button doesn't move. Okay, same thing in here. But first, make sure it's level with the window, and then, so if it doesn't work, it's because it's not level. Okay, now it's level. Same thing in here, make sure it's level. Now it's level. Now that everything is level, I'm gonna tie it down. This one is tight. This one, tie it down. And this one here, you can adjust this one. You can move it like that. Let's see. Up and down, up and down, up and down. But I think that's good for me. That's it. The next step is to put the camera. Let's see how strong it is. Yeah, yes it is. Don't be careful, don't break it, but make sure that it's strong. Oh yeah, it's strong. That's cool. You can see it closer. That's amazing. Yes. Okay, when you record the videos, first you have to turn on the camera, hold it for 2 seconds, 3 seconds I think, and then record the video in 5K 0.7 and 30 frames per second. That's the best resolution. Okay, to record the video there's a quick button, so the camera is off right now. Okay, but if you press this circle, this one right there, it will start recording in the last setting you left on the camera. You see this one is gonna turn red. Let's wait, and now it's red, it's recording. That's good. And then when you stop the recording like that, it will turn off the camera. That's amazing. Okay, so one quick app settings for the app. Remember to download the app, this one, Insta360. Okay, and then you have to connect to the camera. There's this button in the middle, connect via Bluetooth, like that. It's gonna ask you to join, and now it's connected. And in here where it says album, click that, the album, and those are all your videos. Okay, let me tell you how I do it. Okay, in this one, click on the video, pause it. You have three options on the top: auto, snap, or edit. I like to do it on snap, but if you click auto, if you click on this one, the AI will make you some couple of videos, but I prefer snap. But let me show you edit. Edit, it will start doing this automatically. You have to move like this and set the camera wherever you want. Okay, so I like it to do it on snap. Why? Because with the snap you can move the phone, and that's the area is gonna be recording. Okay, you can move, drag the video for the area that you want to record. Okay, and in here on the bottom it says 16.9. you can put it on that one, that's for YouTube. This one maybe for Instagram. This is very wide, like a cinematic video, and this is for Instagram, TikTok, or all the other videos. And then you can move it like this. Let me go outside so I can show you. As you can see, if I move the phone like that, it moves, and then I click record, and I'm gonna be following the car like that. Okay, so just a quick tip how to record the video. I like to do it on a snap, but you can choose edit, auto, edit, auto. Okay, so this is the Insta360 triple suction cup mount. The quality is amazing. This top, the selfie stick, is made of carbon fiber, and this part is made of carbon fiber, and the metal base, this one is in metal, and the suction cups are made of metal. Plastic, the suction cups, of course, to stick on the paint or window. Okay, but the quality is the best quality carbon fiber. Look at that. The stick, if you pull this one all the way up, is 41 inches, the selfie stick. Okay, this one is adjustable, you can move it up and down. This one is to lock the suction cups. They have more options. They have triple or just two, one suction cup here and another two suction. So I'm gonna put the link for this one. Insta360 send it to me to test it out, and the link is an affiliate link, but you can check it out. You already saw the videos. The quality is great. You can do a lot of amazing things with this one, but remember, you will need the camera, the 360 camera. This one I think is amazing. I love it. You can do a lot of cool things, not just with the car. You can record yourself, pull the selfie, and you have a lot of amazing tricks that you can add on the app. Check the app. The app has a lot of amazing AI things that you can do. But let me know what you guys think about this suction cup. This mount, the price for this one is $450. So it's pretty pricey, yes, because of the carbon fiber. It's pretty light. It's very light and strong. After you put it on the car, it's very strong. Okay, but let me know what you guys think about the suction cup mount, the quality of the video. You find this very helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.